Living in a car will save you a lot of money, but to find the best car to live in is a difficult alternative. So here are the 9 cars that you will want to live in. Number 9. Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. For 2021, the Sprinter lineup enhances various new and typical aspects of its franchise. These comprise automatic emergency braking, scent control, and multifunction steering wheels, and a power-adjustable superficial side mirrors. A floor pad behind the seat box is also now available to its freshest version. 2 reasons the Sprinter is so popular: because of its comforts and advancement. Its interior has a premium feel and remains modest on the road. Its seats are neatly shaped, so your back won't break after hours behind the wheel. And a swivel seat package is also now available, making it much simpler to get in and out of the truck. Number 8. Toyota Grand Via. This 6-seater offers good space, but it's still not great. The rear windows are colored windows and have folding sunshades, which is really admired by car lovers. Only the 6-seater Grand Via VX tested features have active second and third row seats. With that big shiny metal face, the Grand Via looks like a transformer transformed into a bus. Number 7. Volkswagen T6 Caravelle Van. Technically, the Caravelle is a station wagon, a van with multiple seats and rear windows, where you would generally find a large extent of nothing. However, rejecting this new one as little more than a sanitized Volkswagen Transporter is a new Caravelle T6.1. As you find out more about it, you will want to leave your hand on it. Number 6. Rolls-Royce Ghost. Like any cabin of the Rolls-Royce, the new Ghost is opulent inside, with every surface, knobs, switch, and lever made from excellent materials, seeking to stand out from the competitors like the Bentley Flying Spur and the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Rolls-Royce has done its best to present its car lovers with the best choice. Rolls-Royce Ghost comes with a thin and thick carpet, fine-grained leather, real wood, and metal emphasis, and even had a headliner available with a small built-in LED, a shining inlay on the dashboard lights up when driver starts as the Ghost, adding an aura of a starry night. The best seats in the car is available at the back, where passengers can enjoy luxurious, like massage seats and entertainment systems, and yes, there is a lot of space. Number 5. Volkswagen T6.1 Business International. The T6.1 looks slightly different from the T6 model. It comes with an option of completely electric versions developed by the ABT, which gives an 82-mile range blended with a 1-tone payload. There's an equity of a 2-liter diesel options as well as a front of a 4-wheel drive. Possibly there are several wheelbases and 2 distinct roof lines, with the transporter's payload varying between 713 and 1,309 kilos. Number 4. Mercedes V-Class VIP. The V-Class VIP, with the exclusive package, offers a great deal of comfort for brief and extended shuttle journeys. The interior view of the V-Class exclusive remains comfortably cool. It includes features of a seat climate control. The 5-liter chilling compartment provides the exact space for cooling drinks. In addition, the high-quality 360 surround system builds a comfortable musical ambience. Number 3. Mercedes Maybach S650 Pullman. With 1 meter expanded to the wheelbase, the car is biggest Mercedes-Benz S-Class available in the market. The rear doors broadly larger than the regular ones. The rear seats are designed to similar to the business class airplane. Mercedes Maybach S650 Pullman is one of the best cars to see live in, slumping individual seats, with champagne fridge between them, TV and LCD in the front folding seats. Number 2. Lexani Lincoln Navigator Aster. The Lincoln Navigator is an outstanding SUV, turbocharged V6 engine fuels vibrating around town and on the highway. The Navigator also has an organized ride, decent handling, and strong fuel economy grades. The interior is deliciously extraordinary, with 3 rows of comfortable seats and sufficient cargo space. The Navigator has a large head and legroom for every adult in every row. The seats are extremely comfortable and offers the best comfort. Number 1. Ford Transit's Connect Van. Ford Transit's Connect Van is a quick-looking van that was not manufactured to be a camper, but could rather effortlessly be converted into a car to live one out of. The Transit can comfortably seat up to 15 people and has a comprehensive roof option. The Transit also proposes fantastic fuel efficiency with its EcoBoost V6. The Transit surprisingly has ruggedness over elegant interior design. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.